Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Which section of the BNSS covers the provisions of Section 482 of the CRPC? Section 520, Section 525, Section 526 or Section 528? The correct answer is option D, Section 528. Recently, in the Kulandaisemi and Anothers versus State represented by its Inspector of Police and Anothers case, the Supreme Court clarified that there is no absolute prohibition on the High Court intervening in a Section 482 CRPC petition even when the investigation is in its early stages. Section 482 of the CRPC deals with saving of inherent powers of High Court. Now, this section is covered under Section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita 2023. Which section of the BNSS deals with statements to police and their use? Section 180, Section 181, Section 182 or Section 183? The correct answer is option B, Section 181. Recently, in the Firoz Khan Akbar Khan versus the State of Maharashtra case, the Supreme Court held that a delay in recording an eyewitness's testimony would not draw an adverse inference against the prosecution's case if the delay were adequately explained. Section 181 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita 2023 deals with the statements to police and use thereof. Which section of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 deals with the proof of electronic records? Section 60, Section 61, Section 62 or Section 63? The correct answer is option C. Section 62 of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 deals with the proof of electronic records. It establishes the fundamental principle that the contents of electronic records shall be proved in accordance with the provisions of Section 63. This sets the stage for a comprehensive framework for handling electronic evidence in legal proceedings. Which section of the Limitation Act defines the period of limitation and the prescribed period? Section 1, Section 2J, Section 3 or Section 5? The correct answer is option B. Section 2J of the Limitation Act defines the period of limitation and prescribed period. Period of limitation refers to the time period which is prescribed for any suit, appeal or application by the schedule of the Limitation Act 1963. The prescribed period is the period of limitation computed in accordance with the provisions of this Act. Section 143 to 147 of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881 came into force on 6th February 2002, 6th February 2003, 1st April 2002 or 1st April 2003. The correct answer is option B. Section 143 to 147 of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881 inserted by Act 55 of 2002 came into force on 6th February 2003. Now it's time for the practice question. Which provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 deals with the identification of person arrested? Section 53A, Section 54, Section 54A or Section 55A? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.